Now that we have some working infrastructure in our application, it's time to demonstrate how to show some useful alerts. And one technique I use to grab useful information is the decorator pattern. Angular supports this out of the box. You can decorate any service in Angular, the built-in services, third-party services, even your own services. The decorator design pattern, generally speaking, it's used to wrap, change, adapt, or extend a component. In Angular, we typically decorate a service to wrap that service and provide additional behavior, or even change the existing built-in behavior. Here's how it works. In Angular, you can identify a service that you want to decorate by name, like perhaps you want to decorate the $log service. So I will tell Angular that I want to decorate this service, and I will give Angular an object that looks just like the original service, but it contains my custom code, and my custom code might use the original service behind the scenes. It might delegate behavior to that original service. And now, any component that comes along and needs that service, Angular will inject my decorator into that component. But the beauty is that the component asking for a service like $log, it doesn't know if it's working with the original service or if it's working with the decorator, because it doesn't need to know. This is very much like creating a class in object-oriented programming and taking advantage of polymorphism, but decorating is more of a compositional technique. It's not inheritance. And composition generally gives us more flexibility compared to inheritance, so this is good. Let's take a look at how this works in the code and how decorators can be useful.